Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to upload photos to a Canva design. Alright, so you can either add your photos to an existing design, but for this sample, I'll just go ahead and create a new one. Alright, let's just click Document A4 Portrait. Alright, so once you've opened this design right here, the new one, you want to go ahead and go to Uploads, and you can see that there's Upload Files. Alright, so let's just go ahead and go to Pictures or wherever your pictures are saved, and let's just go there. And for example, I want to put this to over here. Just upload it, and you can see that is already uploading. Alright, so once that's done, you can just go ahead and simply put it on your design and the other one too. Right, there we go. And that's basically how you upload photos to your Canva design. You can put anything you want right here, or you can either drag them too